Cut it out. Bad enough that I'm dripping with sweat, wondering if somebody's gonna see through my disguise.
Don't worry. Quit being so sensitive. At least your walk won't give you away.
My walk? What do you mean, my walk?
Nothing. Forget I said it. I'd worry more about the fact that the uniform's a little small for you. It just might come off when you bump into it. Normally, a proper fitting uniform is issued to a soldier. You're just going to have to fit your movements to the uniform.
Oops. Explain yourself. I sneezed like normal. And it was different. Somehow it got me in the face. What wins? Auto aim! That must have been it. You had your finger on the auto aim and then that's how I got hit. It just instantly goes. Bye bye. Mococo was so powerful yesterday. Mococo read. Oh. That's not what it says. Are you sure?